Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today I wanted to show you a little bit my experience filming with the ProRes function on the iPhone 15 Pro Max and editing that and sharing the results with you, and how I would edit the footage based on what I've seen online, on social media, on tutorials. I've had the experience of filming in ProRes before, but I've never really used it that much. So, all right, without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so we got the phone, and I'm gonna take this magic tripod, which I've been sharing on my Instagram quite often lately. It's very, very practical. All right, I don't know if this is gonna work or not. Okay, so I've got the camera set up on a tripod already. That's why I'm carrying it like this. I'm just gonna put it right over here, somewhere here. Yeah. All right. Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna get the props and we start shooting. I have some props which you probably cannot see from here, but they're on the table. I have some coffee right there, laptop, and some magazines to make it look a little bit more interesting. We're gonna zoom out so you have a full picture of what's going on here. So yeah, we're here at the, what do you call it, balcony? It's balcony, right? This is the tripod, here's a phone. Higher. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the phone here so that you can see what we're about to do. It's flickering, obviously. Anyway, so we're gonna put it now in video, ProRes. It's freeing storage at the moment. It says maximum 1 minute. Okay, we're gonna have to work with that because Katya and I have way too many pictures on our phones. So yeah, just for the sake of the video, we're just gonna try to keep it under 1 minute. It's gonna be a few different frames. So yeah, that's all you have to do. ProRes, have it in 4K, 30 frames per second. So let's go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the phone right here. I'm just gonna sit here, drink some coffee.
You have to understand how things are up here.
Gonna use my watch, the Apple Watch, to start the video so that we don't waste any time of that 1 minute that we have. All right, 1 second, because this ain't working. Okay, so I'm guessing it's gonna work. I don't know if it's because of the ProRes, but I have the camera app open on my phone and on my watch, but the watch, oh, now it's showing. Never mind. Okay, all right. So I'm just gonna record how I'm typing here, maybe drinking some coffee. Then I'm gonna change position, probably maybe move the phone around and try some different scenes so that we can have some nice B-roll and do maybe a before and after effect. I'm not sure how I will showcase the edit of the footage, but we'll see. All right.
You have to understand how things are up here.
Okay, so that was one clip. Now, I'm gonna take the phone, put it on 1x zoom. I am going to leave the microphone here just for a second, so that it's not so we got that. All right, copy. I have a feeling this video is gonna turn out terrible, but we're gonna keep going anyways. All right, so the idea now is I'm gonna shoot some B-roll, walking around, maybe even from this angle. It looks very nice with phone. Everything in ProRes, and we'll edit something creative, hopefully, in just a few minutes. 1 second, my phone.
You have to understand how things are up here.
All right, so we've got Premiere Pro open here. I chose one clip, very easy clip. Nothing's actually happening. It's just like a still shot of the balcony and the view. We have some highlights, some shadows, some greens and blues in the sky, which should be noticeable once we do the color correction. I've been working on some LUTs, which I'm going to try the first time now. So let's see how it turns out. I think number 5 could work actually quite well. Yeah, number 5 works actually very nice. You could actually change the intensity, but I'm just gonna leave it at 100.
You have to understand how things are up here.
Well, that's it from my side, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, there's more coming soon. If you have any questions related to this topic or anything else, just let me know in the comment section below. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.